So I ate steak a lot. I'm having steak again tonight. I ate steak a lot more than you guys see, because you don't need to see me cook a steak every other night. So, but I had a couple people ask last time about my chimichurri. It's far from traditional, but I figured, hey, I needed to purge the herb garden, so let's make some chimichurri, using the term loosely. So check it out. We have yellow onion, you can use red, 6 cloves of chopped garlic. This is about 1/4 of an onion right here. 6 cloves of garlic, just roughly chopped up. Got about 1/4 cup of dill, fresh. I wanted 1/4 cup, but I didn't feel like cutting anymore, so we're just under, about 1/8 of a cup of thyme. We got about 1/4 cup of oregano. We got about 1/2 cup of flat leaf parsley, and I have some arugula in the fridge. And we have some grapeseed oil, some lemon juice, and anchovies. Yes, I know. They add some brininess. I'm telling you, it'll wake everything up, man. So let's make some. All right, so blender, excuse me, food processor, whatever you want to do, man. So we are going to toss in all of our herbs. Oh, that's something stuck on that. Onion. Get it all in there. All the kids in the pool. Our onion. Our garlic. We are going to use, grab a fork. You guys can omit this, but I'm telling you, it makes it, man. 1, 2, 3 flats. Put them in a Ziploc bag or sandwich baggie. We're gonna start with a 1/2 cup of oil. We'll add, as it goes through. We'll start with the 1/2 cup, I'm sorry. And then, I think I misspoke earlier, I said lime juice. So we're gonna just add like a teaspoon. And now, for that beautiful pepperiness, good heavy 1/2 cup of arugula. Excuse me. And even just to start, we're gonna hit it with some black. Maybe 1/2 teaspoon or so. And you do not need much salt because of the anchovies. But you gotta have a little bit in there. It brings everything alive, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna do just a nice little pinch. We'll test it, we'll taste it, we'll see where we're at, you know what I mean? You feel me? Where's our lid? There it is. All right, let's blend. All right, so now as you see, once we got it blended up, it's a little bit thick. You want to be able to spoon it, but you want it to fall off of the spoon. So we're gonna start it up again. And we're just gonna add a little oil at a time. Just until we see it loosening up. Actually looks pretty good. It was seriously that easy. I'm telling you. stuff. Take you to a new level, man. Here, let me try to keep some on here. Look at the color of it. And no joke, it's fantastic. That right there is some good stuff. Drizzle it on your steak, some nice cut steak, some nice spice rub steak. Balances out any heat, especially if you're doing anything spicy. Put it on chicken, use it as a sandwich spread on a nice steak sandwich. It does a lot, man, and it's super, super good. So that's it, something quick. A lot of people asking me about it. So that's it, really simple, man. That's all I got, later.